Hello kids, it's story time. Raccoon's first day of school. A short story from Flinto class. On his first day of school, Raccoon wears his favorite yellow shirt. Can you see in the picture what Raccoon is wearing? Which is your favorite dress, kids? What do you want to wear to school? On his first day of school, Raccoon takes his favorite blue bottle. Which color bottle do you take to school? On his first day of school, Raccoon meets Miss Owl, his new teacher. Can you see Raccoon's new teacher in this picture? On his first day of school, Raccoon plays in the playground with his new friends. So, kids, when you go to school, you'll find many friends just like Raccoon to play with and have fun. On his first day of school, Raccoon shares a snack with his new friends. On his first day of school, Raccoon gets on the school bus to go home. Can you see Raccoon sitting next to the driver? After his first day of school, Raccoon is excited for his second day of school. Kids, are not you excited to go to school? Thanks for watching. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to Kiddo Brain for more videos.